We've got the grill fired up this morning. If you're tired of, your stale, the standard burgers, broad stuff like that or whatever, we got some cool recipes this morning to mix up your tailgating routine. Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council joining us this morning. Good morning, Angie.
Good morning. Tailgating. Couldn't tailgate on a Friday morning.
Why not? Why not? Nothing's stopping us.
Where's the rule book? Where's the rule book? Okay.
Okay, so I got two different slider recipes. I kind of like doing sliders with tailgating because if you got a lot of people coming and everyone brings something, I like to try everything. So a slider is a nice, better, like a more appropriate serving size, and it doesn't fill you up. So I made my sliders ahead. So if you're tailgating on location, patting them up. I did about 6 per pound. Now our recipes on the website beeftips.com say 8 per pound, but I can't get them that small. I don't know. That seems too small, right?
Yeah.
So 6 per pound, and then do them. If you're doing them on location, a nice medium heat. So let's start. I kind of got a breakfast slider since it's an early game.
Well,
I got sunrise beef sliders. So I got I toasted up some little slider bones. Oops, stay. And I'm going to give you guys some sliders. And then I did some scrambled eggs, so you can definitely do those on location. If you're using one of the big griddles, you can do your scrambled eggs, your veggies. I got onions and mushrooms. You can do those right alongside.
Now, Angie, I got a question about doing sliders, because every time I do a slider, they ball up, right? They get like a round ball. I can't keep those sliders flat. What do you do?
Well, I have seen a lot, like people put their thumb in them and kind of make an indentation. I just try and keep mine very consistent.
Okay.
A consistent
thickness,
because then that helps them cook evenly too. Take a meat thermometer with you, check it, make sure you get up to 160. But yeah, here I've got fried
I love
onions,
this. You put it all in the cast iron skillet right on the grill. Boom.
Yeah, because it's grill safe, and then you got your scrambled eggs. The hardest part about this recipe, though, is to keep your toppings on top.
Okay.
Because they want to fall off. But you guys kind of get the idea.
Oh, yeah, the scrambled eggs with the mushrooms.
Perfect combination.
And then try and cover it with a little.
Yeah, get you a little bit of cheese on there.
Big cheese. Okay, like that. We'll make more of those.
All right, I'm gonna dive right in here. Let's get some.
The second recipe.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, here.
Okay,
oh my gosh.
So we're running out of time here, so let's go ahead.
So
let's cook with gas.
Western sliders. So I got little Hawaiian buns, and I put on some sharp cheddar cheese. Okay. And then it calls for a bunch of different toppings. So lettuce, pickles, jalapeno slices if you like, some French fried onions, which is a little different. So you can kind of put on whatever you guys want for breakfast here.
All right, love mixing it up. All right, Angie,
and barbecue sauce.
We're out of time. If you want the recipes with
beeftips.com.
You got it, beeftips.com. Angie, always good to see you. Thanks a lot. Happy tailgating.
Yes, let's go.
Very good.